Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a photographer or content creator, you know that having the right gear can make all the difference. Today, I'm going to show you some must-have products that'll improve your shooting, editing, and overall workflow. Let's dive in. DJI Mic 2. If you've ever struggled with poor audio in your videos, this is the solution you've been looking for. The DJI Mic 2 is a wireless microphone system that includes 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and a charging case. So, what makes it stand out? Well, it's designed to cancel out background noise, giving you clear, professional-grade audio, whether you're recording on a camera, smartphone, or even a laptop. This mic system is great for a range of uses: interviews, podcasts, or even outdoor shoots where wind or crowds are an issue. It comes with 2 lapel mics called lavaliers, so if you're recording multiple people, you won't have to worry about picking up unwanted noise. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use and set up. No technical expertise required. Just plug and play. If you want to get the DJI Mic 2 for yourself and take your audio to the next level, check the link in the description below. Let's talk about a must-have for any photographer: a solid tripod. The Manfrotto MT190X Pro 4 tripod is one of the best options out there, and here's why. It's made of high-quality aluminum, so it's both lightweight and incredibly durable. You can easily take it with you on location shoots without worrying about it weighing you down. But what really sets this tripod apart is its 360-degree rotating center column. This feature allows you to change the angle of your camera in any direction, so you can get shots from virtually any position. Whether you're shooting from the ground, at waist height, or above your head, this tripod makes it easy. It's perfect for landscape photographers, product photographers, and even video work. Plus, it has adjustable legs that are great for shooting in all types of terrain, from beaches to rocky surfaces. If you're ready to invest in a quality tripod that'll last you for years, check out the link for the Manfrotto MAT190X Pro 4 in the description below. For those of you who love shooting video on the go, the DJI Osmo Pocket handheld gimbal is an absolute game changer. This is a tiny yet powerful 3-axis gimbal that comes with an integrated camera, and it shoots in 4K. Why is this such a great tool for photographers and videographers? Well, its 3-axis stabilization ensures that your footage is smooth and steady, even if you're walking or moving around while filming. It's incredibly easy to use and portable. You can literally slip it into your pocket when you're done. And while it's small, it still packs a punch with high-quality video capabilities. You can capture smooth cinematic shots without needing a big, bulky setup or professional-level equipment. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or doing social media content, this is perfect for shooting high-quality video anywhere. Want to get the DJI Osmo Pocket Gimbal? Check the description below for the link and see how it can take your video game to the next level. Let's talk about a photographer's best friend, the camera bag. And not just a bag, the Wandered Rogue 9-liter sling bag is one you'll want to own. This bag is designed for the photographer who needs to move quickly and carry only the essentials. It's a compact crossbody bag that can hold your camera, lenses, and even a few extra accessories like batteries or memory cards. Plus, it's super comfortable to wear, even for long periods. The design is sleek and minimalistic, so you won't look like you're carrying around a heavy-duty camera bag. But don't let its size fool you. It's surprisingly spacious, with custom dividers that let you organize your gear efficiently. If you're always on the move and need something functional yet stylish, this is the bag for you. Check out the link in the description to grab the Wandered Rogue 9L sling bag and make your shoots more organized and efficient. Keeping your gear clean is just as important as having the right gear, and the Gyaro AA1910 Medium Rocket Air Blaster is the perfect tool for the job. If you've ever tried cleaning your camera sensor or lens with a cloth, you know it's risky and can leave smudges or scratches. This air blaster is designed to blow off dust and debris from delicate surfaces without touching them. It's powerful enough to remove dirt from your lens and sensor, but gentle enough not to cause any damage. This is especially important if you're shooting in dusty or outdoor environments. It's a simple tool, but it makes a big difference in the long run when it comes to keeping your gear in top condition. Want to make cleaning your gear easier? check out the link for the DAOS Rocket Air Blaster in the description below. Photographers and videographers deal with large files every day, and you need fast and reliable storage solutions. That's where the Satechi M2 NVMe Mini SSD enclosure comes in. This compact device lets you easily connect an NVMe SSD to your computer via USB-C, giving you up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds. This means you can transfer your high-res photos and videos in no time. Not only is it fast, but it's also portable. You can easily slip it into your bag and take it with you on shoots or to editing sessions. Plus, with support for up to 2 terabytes of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. It even has active cooling, so your SSD stays safe, even during those long editing sessions. Ready to speed up your workflow? Check out the Satechi M2 NVMe SSD enclosure via the link in the description below. The Godox AD200 Pro 2 Flash Strobe. If you want to level up your lighting game, this flash is essential. The AD200 Pro 2 offers 200 watts of power, which means it's perfect for everything from portrait photography to event shoots. It's compact, but packs a punch, and it can deliver up to 500 full power flashes, so you'll never miss that perfect shot. The flash is super easy to use with through the lens metering, meaning your camera will automatically adjust the exposure for the flash. Whether you're shooting in a studio or on location, it's a reliable choice for lighting your subjects perfectly every time. Check out the link for the Godox AD200 Pro 2 Flash Strobe in the description below and see how it can improve your lighting setup. There you have it, guys. These products will help you shoot better, stay organized, and work more efficiently. From improving your audio and lighting to keeping your gear clean and your storage fast, these essentials are perfect for photographers at every level. Don't forget to check the description below for links to grab these products for yourself.